There is a hack out there to keep your twists looking fresh. Fresh, and I'm not talking for a week, I'm talking 2+ weeks, and I'm gonna share that with you. And in case you don't know, hey, it's Kimberly, and welcome back to my channel. I make videos on all things lifestyle on a budget, and let's get right into my crusty side so I can share the 2 things that are going to blow your mind when it comes to nice, sleek, neat looking twists that last for over 2 weeks. It is summertime, it is hot, so I'm trying to do as little as possible with my hair. I'm about to go into round 3 of these twists, and I'm going to show you the technique that has changed for me. I did not make up this hack or anything like that. I saw it online and I tried it out, and it really did change the game for me. I am someone whose hair frizzes up instantly. Like I said, I'm very active, so usually my hair just does start to puff at the roots, and what I would do is that I would just take out my twist sooner and then wear the twists out as is and then go from there. But now I can actually keep the style in longer because the frizz is at bay. Like I said, this is 2 weeks, so by then, sure, let's have some frizz. I'm fine with that, but it's just when it's 3 or 4 days that you're like, great, now I have to move on to the next phase of the style. So I'm gonna go ahead and go wash my hair. It has nothing to do with your wash process, so we're not changing that up at all. I'm gonna wash my hair, I'm gonna come back, and then I'm gonna show you what changes that I made. Just washed my hair. I'm gonna let it marinate for a little bit. It's so much easier when it is in twists. Oh, I just love it. But okay, so the 2 things that you're gonna do, number 1 is that you are actually gonna braid a little bit of the root of your hair before you go into a twist. That's the first step. So you braid a little bit, and I'll do it in a bit. You're gonna braid a little bit and then you switch into your twist. It's not obvious. It doesn't look like, oh my gosh, like your hair is 2 different styles, that you're twisting down. But the braids lock in your hair better, which gives you a flatter look so that when your hair starts to puff up or frizz over time, eventually, it's just not as puffy. Like, I think we all know with the 2-strand twist, you see like a little bit of puff going on. But from this tip that I saw online, you actually braid a little bit and then you proceed on to how you're gonna twist your hair. So that's what I've been doing. Now the next step, which also helps a lot too, is to get you some Murray's. Get you a pomade higher than a Shine Jam. This is like y'all know what it is. It's like a dressing. Like, it is super, super, super thick. Basically, this is exactly what they do at the salons when you're getting your hair braided, getting your hair twisted down. Take this, put it all around the root of your hair, and then you go in with the braid and then you twist down. It's that simple. It is actually that simple, but I'm telling you, it was a game changer for me. I am someone that the puff and the frizz and all of that is like an immediate reaction, regardless if I have my favorite gel, my favorite mousse, anything, all those products, they don't last for me when it comes to my roots and I'm trying to have my twist for like longer than a couple days. It is like a tacky, sticky, locked in. So if you don't want the puff, let me show you what you're gonna do. Now for the rest of your hair, you can use whatever product you normally use. Like, I have 1,000,001 recommendations on my channel here. Today, I'm gonna be going in with my Miche. Y'all know I love her, as you can see. Love her so much that we're almost done. I just washed my hair. This is what it's looking like after. Is it tedious? Yes, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I do have to now go in and unravel each one. If you want, after your style, you could unravel it all and then start over again, but I don't want to part my hair again. I really don't. It's too much. It's too much for me. I don't enjoy it. I do need one of those 3-way mirrors, but I don't have that. And as always, y'all know I like to keep things simple on here. So when I see like something that's going to try to make my life easier, I'm in there like swimwear. These are my twists right here. So I'm going to just go ahead and unravel this. And it is obviously super easy because it's just a twist. And then when you get up to the root, then you'll see when it starts to turn into a braid. Tropical Oasis Gel. We see how defining it is. We know, we love. We've got the pomade, and I'm just gathering it together, making sure everywhere else is out. Now I'm gonna just divide like a regular braid, and I'm gonna start braiding. And I'm gonna try to braid as close as I can to the scalp because, like I said, we want flat, flat, flat. I'm gonna end up switching to a twist. So you could just kind of do it gradually. Now, I'm not a professional, so as you can see, yes, there is a little bit that is separated from it. Will I be going back and fixing it? No, I will not. I am a regular degular who's just trying to get to the end. And so I do my best, and that is my best, and then I just keep on going. If you're a perfectionist, and which I am not with my hair, as y'all can tell, You could go back and fix that and get it super to the root, etc. But I just have a lot of hair and I'm not gonna be seeing that far down. Hopefully you can see this. Go to the next section that works for me, and since this one's right here, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so now I've got my chunk of hair. We're gonna go in with the Tropical Oasis Gel, and this is gonna also help with frizz and humidity. That's one of its claims. Pomade, gathering as much as I can. So there it is. You see how shiny it is? The braiding and the pomade make a world of a difference. So I'll be back when we're like halfway there. We are halfway there. That did take me over an hour. It looks so good. So this is the difference. We are juicy, we are healthy, frizz wear. Like this is the side by side. I didn't realize how much I would like the change because when I saw it, I was like, oh, it's extra work. I can't, like I just got too much hair. That's so much. I like to, y'all know, I like to hop out the shower, get going, get twisted, get up and out and not have my day just taken away by my hair. But things change and it really is worth it. I really, really like how sleek it is. How I like to have my hair lengthened is that when I'm gonna go to sleep, I end up like twisting these back. So almost like a giant, I don't know, like a ginormous flat twist. And then I will put some hair ties on the end like so. And then I sleep like that to kind of pull it down. The shrinkage, for me at least, is always present. In the meantime, I am gonna just take this side right here and I'm gonna use my clips and just get some elongating going until I'm actually done. I just go in, unravel the twists, comb it out a bit, go in with my miche, go in with my pomade, and then I just twist down and I just keep that going. And then that's it. We are done. I guess you can actually see this side much better off. Thank you, lighting. So if you want to take a closer look, I mean, look at those parts from like a month ago, but the juice, the shine, that is what really gets me the most. I never knew a love like this. It is just so, so, so defined. I just really want a protective style that I can do myself and actually get a good amount of time and use out of it. Maybe I'm late to the game. Maybe you already knew this as well. You can comment it down below. Let me know that I'm late, and then also leave some more tips too. 9 times out of the 10, what I do, and you've even seen it in videos, but I'm sorry, I freaking love this look. Like, I love it. And so when you style, this is what it looks like. I'm feeling cute, okay? So I just do a simple half up. I just got my nails snagged on there. Amazing. I just do a simple half up, half down, and I swear I run the style into the ground. Like, it is just so fresh looking, so clean looking, so perfect for summer. It's about to be 100 degrees today. I could only do so much, and this style just keeps me looking cute. I either wrap my hair in a silk scarf or I use my silk bonnet, go down to sleep, wake up, and do the same thing over and over and over again. And the goal is to get it to 2 weeks. So I'm super happy with this. Comment down below if you have any tips or tricks so we don't have those puffy twists or anything like that. If you like your puffy twist, ain't no shame in the game. I'm over 10 years natural and I'm just now getting onto this. So trust me, puffy twist, I'm right here. I'm right there with you. But it's really nice to have a change up and to look as if I roughly went to the salon. This isn't salon work, but just saying, like, just to have a nice, fresh, clean look. Just a new way to just kind of change up how you're doing your technique. Let's have a conversation down below. Thank y'all as always for watching. If you have any other tips and tricks, leave them as well. And I will see you in the next one.